and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shop vendors at a loss with flames destroying their livelihood. Union Minister visits Airy Silk village in Ribhoi district. Hito demands probe on the murder of Running Star. And Anderson School produces a gem in the HSSLC examination results. And now the news in detail. Another fire incident occurred in Nongpo Ribhoi district on the 9th of May at around 2 a.m. 8 shops were completely burned out by the wildfire, which includes fruit and food stalls, betel nut shop, hardware store, ATM room of Meghalaya Corporation Apex Bank Nongpo branch. Speaking to the owners of the food stall and betel nut stall, they informed that the flames had devoured all the items present in the stalls and they are at a great loss, whereas the wildfire devoured only half of the items in the hardware store. As for the Apex Bank ATM, it endured few burns but no damage was done to the machine. When asked what could have caused the fire, they informed that they are sure there is no carelessness from their side that caused a fire, but there is someone who deliberately set the shops on fire. The investigation on the spark of the fire is still going on in order to track leads of the fire outbreak.
Tama pi kumui try tukan bala jangan ni kejia. Pila matai kindia kumno kejia, hakuno kopor kejia.
Tiup dah kopor tak mayu singa kopor. Lai beje tu tengah wan mare. Don ui perlu kopun. Din tu kita ada pun tu dah wan ngau dah. Kalau nak dipayar kita pakai kulit. Nanti pada ni isi sopir dan sin si otor. Din tu pada tempat tinggi. Nonton nonton di kira pun pak, nonton taruh di aero, pun pak rem, lain gut kita.
Hilang batai, kendiat hatu kumno kajia, laga di bagadon ka jinging na po ni don batang buru na ba?
Don batang itu na bar.
Bila kena kata don buru batang na ba?
Kat no ka los try silakan
Silakan don barang susuman ni tidak. Kamar aksi menin sakadukan rodang dapsna.
Tapi ada one file FIR police station.
Baruan. Kulit beri yang mana yang sawan oleh same step. Baru live berapa jam tu?
Tapi lain.
Ni lain mana tamam betul lah.
Cepat kendur dah.
Tapi semua ban file FIR.
Mukli IFR tu.
Jadi try dukan bala syatang kan ka por. Tidak ambatai anu kom ka ing ka dukan gitu.
Longim ban batai biya adu katangim la handai ba long ngamen step ong marsenya kicha te itu lok jangala tiu jasulia te mut bulan sene handai la pun no i perlok ong ba pila tim pati berne ke jingja dukan jengki ong balai iu ong tang mut badai bara suwen tu handai pade ke ong der ba wantu kibriu la syatang ong ta tengi hakapor bangi syua ban lek tingla syaklut barakhat ngi kasula ba donding rum don re ithe rum don rang la pan leblut barakhat ka donding la ra sa jing namar ban saja sulia temar senya poi gom taang tengi ngi sngul ngo ma ya ngi jingja temar tapat wan kini kila batai ong ka no baje wala gaja kemut kila itu hadin pade kila ong bapor ba wan kiserpi kemut kila pan leb keding tengi ring TBA kata hadin kata pade syai men step tu ong ngir ngedap ka sngul ngo ngi pun ya kini ki perlok ken tekinir kilaywan de ka jingdu de kamdir ka bakai jungiru namar ba kitip himta ka partheriam ong partheriam menta de kitiar kitar ki kitli ki shula ngadon hado sautli ki kutli ki perla namar don ki perlok ru ki berde tiar madan ki wan bu ki dukan junga ki perla in i menta ki don ki perla nang ta ki don ki shula bathang ri hadiam de ki perlok ru te jungar ki don de tap de ki jingku umur ki don ki yang kupliang ki pila berkhoi la dulur tengir ngidap la sosial ke bakrau te ka de por la dolong ka bala de ngi kwa baka sarkar ka banyak komno pan lek ya kane ka badon kam namar ba kita ki jinglut ki jingsep jongi namar gilong ki baduk tepi.
Coba bertanya halo ke jing ni kerja kan uji kerja.
तो रात 2 बजे का से हम लोग मालूम हुआ तो सीआरपी लोग आके मतलब वो लोग पहला पानी उनी मारा इसके बाद में हल्ला लग गया तो हम लोग घर से आए देखा पूरा घर अंदर में सब माल उल जला गया हमारा कौन जला दिया तो हम कोई आदमी के जला दिया ऐसा लगता है हमको नहीं बात
ये कैसा जला मालूम नहीं?
वो तो रात में तो हम लोग मालूम नहीं 2 बजे का ऐसा आगुन लग गया करंट भी नहीं है तो कैसा जला कोई आदमी लगा दिया हमको ऐसा दिमाग होता है।
आपको क्या सस्पेक्ट है? आदमी जलाया ना खुद दिया?
आदमी जलाया हमको ऐसा तो तो खाली इधर भी नहीं हुआ, आगे में भी बैंक का सामने भी जलाया, इधर में भी 2 जगह जलाया। तो कोई ड्रग्स खाने वाला कोई खराब आदमी लोग जलाया ऐसा लगता है हमको।
तो आपका सामान कितना लॉस हो गया?
हमका जैसा 4 लाख 5 लाख रुपये का सामान घर का अंदर में था, तो जल गया सब, पाइप क्या क्या।
तो क्या आप पुलिस में
अभी FIR करने जाएगा। अभी पुलिस अभी लोग आया नहीं अभी तक, अभी बोला 10 बजे से आओ थाना में, तो जाके FIR करेगा, देखेगा क्या करता है।
Union Minister in charge of Railways and Textiles, Darshana Jardosh, on the 9th of May, went down to Umden Ribhoi district to inspect few weaving workshops and to meet the weavers who uses eri silk usually present in Umden D1 Ribhoi district, which is usually known as the Eri Silk Village. She visited the Design Innovation Resources Center, DICR, Zonghii and others. Present together in the inspection rounds includes Mirabons Aim, MLA Nongpo, Balajit Rani, MDC Nongpo, Arpit Upadhyay, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, officers from Textiles Department and others.
अभी सुनाओ, अभी कैसे मैट कैसे होगा उसका, मतलब आप फीमेल तितलियां कैसे पकड़ेंगे वो समझा रहा है वो। समझ में आया? जब तक उसका मैटिंग नहीं होगा तब तक वो प्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा। हाँ बताओ। अभी
एक्चुअली दिस इज अ फीमेल मॉथ एग लेइंग।
सरकार चल रही है, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारी स्कीम ऐसी है जिसको इंटीग्रेट करना, एक साथ में जुड़कर आगे बढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है। मैं सभी बंदोपाध्याय जी और हमारी टीम जो हमारे साथ आई है, हैंडलूम हैंडीक्राफ्ट के जो भी ऑफिसर्स, उनको धन्यवाद दूंगी। बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग हुआ है और अभी लेकिन बहुत कम हुआ है जो समर ट्रेनिंग, जिसके ऊपर हमें पूरा आधार है। और खास करके आने वाले दिनों में MSME जो छोटे छोटे पैमाने के ऊपर जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, इसके लिए बहुत बड़ी स्कीम आ रही है स्वनिधि योजना के तहत, जिसमें पहली बार उन लोगों को 25,000, बाद में 50,000, 1 लाख तक की रकम मिलेगी उनको एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के लिए। तो ये 3-4 महीने के अंदर अगर हम लोग इसके लिए तैयार हो जाए, समर ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से डिजाइन के सोर्सेज, इसके साथ में कार्ड बनाना, तालीम लेना, तालीम के साथ साथ में नयापन क्या चल रहा है इसके बारे में मास्टर ट्रेनर्स है अच्छे दिल्ली से। जब हम लोग यहाँ से बाहर निकलकर बड़े बड़े शहर में दिल्ली, मुंबई, बेंगलोर जैसे शहर में जाएंगे जहाँ पे ये बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है।
On behalf of Hito, Punursla Circle, Yarboklang Khongtani demanded the government to conduct thorough investigation on the case of Running Star, who was shot dead by the BSF on the 5th at around 11 p.m. in Maushan. The leader of Hito urged the government to conduct a thorough investigation on the case in order to deliver justice to the deceased and his loved ones who lost his life by the bullets from the guns of the BSF.
Jangan in charge ng kais Khasinews Hito nga wan nga dap daga jingkuman ngayo banya dan rekat lang bat ka sing Hito ba na po penursla dan lang rekat di presiden te ngayo banya kendo ya uni in charge usakin in charge uba dan hang ni po penursla te ngayo ya kata ka kubor ka ba ong ba ulak kit kia te kata ka jingkit kia ka jong unsim namar ba ya ke jingja ka baja ka tu ka sngi ka long ba ki jingja ba long ba ya ka jat benriu kham tam la man la kapor kini BSF kila thambor man la ki bordar te nre ke baja ni mentangi kwa ba kan num ja shu nang ni sakhmat ba lada kanang don kanu nu jingja tingi kum ki khon samla ni ka dap ka mensim ka ba snosi bat ka dap ka mensim ka ba ngin poi sakanu kanu ka thong ru ka ba ngin thong ya ka sangama mo nre ke banga ngamun ban ong hakan ka po kalong ba nakaliang jong police department ngai tip akan sa sikit khia bat kham tam ngi yo nya kendu i ki bahiang ba sam gi jong ka tu ka yeng ka ba jai ka ni ka incident ten re ngila yo lut ke jing batai ke jong ki ten re ya ke ba ka ba na banta ka tu ka long yeng ngin sia le bat ngin sayat bat ngin sayai budin na banta ba in yo ya ka jing bisar ka ba hok bat kham tam in yo ya kata ka bah na banta dakila nakaliang jong sarkar kham tam kan yo ban ai daka kam ka jam ya itu ilong kumi kham tam ba in yo ban pit ya ka ya ki khon ki ti ya ka lawe ke jong ki te tangi tai HITO Penursla Circle harangkat bat ka is Khasil
in charge su dalang ni te menang la yo ban le kedo yaki long ying kiba jia ka santarik rai pesan arjar arpulai ka ba we na long pau la syasiat yap haki lai ngut ki BSF te hadin ka jinga kenduk jungi ngila yo ban ya keren pat kita ki long ying ha ka ba kila pen pau bat kila kenturu yang i kum kaseng bangin yai budin te nakaliang ke jongi ru kum bangi lakular yaki nadu pasdang perbangi dolang ha ketu jingja adu ka mit santarik te ngim klet bat ni lek mena melek kendu yaki bat mentaru ngilawan sa ka police station ban budin ya ka FIR ka ba kila pha ha ketu keski te kali ka FIR ka ba ka jingbudin ke jongi peseng te kumangelai ba kila yo kem ya kitu ki laingut ki sipai bat hadin bangila yo iban ya syong bat i khat osi jong kani ka penusla police station ni skau kumen halor bang yo skau bana kaliang jong i pentip sangi ba ka police station ka police department kala le ya ke badan kam bat kala trai borba ban benyo ya kata ka sinsar hok ya kata ka jing tian bisar hok ya kitu ki sipai ki bala sim ya ka jingim jong tu pa.
A student from Anderson High Secondary School, Upper New Nongston in the commerce stream cleared the HSSLC examinations under the top 10 category announced by MBOS on the 9th of May. The student, Dayari Nongrem, is a daughter of CP Bersat and Dayahun Nongrem from Mauklam Nongpendeng, West Khasi Hills. As per the results, the student achieved the 10th position under the top 10 category with distinctions in 6 subjects. She acquired 447 total marks, securing the highest in English with 92 and alternative English in 82. Arnab Datta from Laban Bangali Boys High Secondary School came first in the first 10 position HSSLC Science stream, followed by St. Edmunds, St. Anthony's and Ramakrishna Mission Sora in different positions. Rishabh Purkayastha, Laban Bangali Boys, received the first 10 in commerce, followed by other schools which includes St. Anthony's Shillong, Mausanram Border Area High Secondary School, St. Edmunds High Secondary School, Alpha English School Nongpo and Anderson High Secondary School Upper New Nongston. Students clearing in science were 78.84% from 3,635 candidates. It is also observed that the number of female students clearing the exams is more than that of male students. Students clearing in commerce were 79.31%, whereby female students performed better than male students. Stephinera W. Snaitang came in the second position in the science stream, whereas Eliza Letep secured the 9th position in commerce stream.
Simpler way so that they can learn and remember more easily, because time is very less. So in a short time they have to grab everything. So they depend on the notes of the teacher also, but not in all subjects. So in science they have to follow the board work. Very important, the board work. Teacher deducts they see the steps and it keeps as a photograph in their memory. Give the lecture in the class, just like college, and talk to them. You are not small. You are now elderly person. So you have to listen. And after that, we provide them with the questionnaires. These questionnaires will make them to talk with us, to talk with the teachers. And when they are feeling free with the teachers, they come and talk to the teacher, ask what they cannot follow in the class. Sometimes it may happen out of 65 students, all may not be able to come here to the teacher. So they feel shy also, because I am not a very good student, I cannot go to the teacher. This system will break. 35 students appeared, regular, all passed. And from commerce, 54 students appeared and 4 failed, so 50 passed.
Consistency is very important, and even I'll say the same. Maintaining consistency is very important. Like, you don't have to study 6 hours from the very beginning. You can just revise whatever is taught in the school, and then during the end of the year, during December, January, you can put the little extra effort. But again, I'll say that teachers are very, very important. I'll say.
It was something which I really struggled to overcome. You know, I used to listen to songs, and then I used to play cricket. After the school, that whatever little time we got, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just let's play cricket, or just let's listen to song, or let's just having some discussion with friends, like not related to studies, just like that only, to relax my mind and those things. What I feel is that stress, it's a very natural thing. Whenever you're studying and all, you will naturally find stress, but in order to overcome that, I guess it's important not to overthink about what you'll be getting, like I need to get the first position, I need to get such percentage. Just do it and don't worry about the outcome.
CBSE books, because those questions in CBSE books are mostly tricky.
Father Anthony Cartmore, Principal John Khasinews High Secondary School. Hagani ski kalau ski ke bakra ke bang kam sampai hagaba ke embos kelapan benaya ke HSLC jong ki class 12 jong ki science but ki commerce te sachisian bleu la ku ya ki trace tom ya jong ki kena but kam sampai ya ki institution bana ko ke por hadu bentau slam but hakini ki slam lu ni la long berbor ki ba kemat du jong ka results le bentau stem ya kejing ke kujung play ni kena jungi kila lepha but ni la don kumba nyongut ki bayo rank holders na ki science stream nyongut na ki commerce ki kena ki ba yele ha ka commerce stream ki don kumba shispa prapinyo ki science stream ki don kumba shispa sampai rio ngot te na kini ni iba baro ki le pass bha ka science stream ni yo 98.0% and hagi commerce stream pat ni yo 97%. The overall ni iba ki kena jungi kilai le ha but ka jing kublay ni kong ek sai sit ba nga tin jong blay kumba shim na kasam kandai pwe khat ka ba khat sao ter ko ong. The Lord will rescue all those who love him, and the Lord will protect all those who trust him, and the Lord will continue to be with them as long as they are faithful with him, and he will continue to pour his blessings and reward them for their faithfulness. Matrai gade gane hi gajing ikai jong ka institution jongi yaki kena lengkong ha gajing ti brio ti play but barbor ni la ju ikai ki ru ha gajing kio ha ka akor ka burong te de gajing yat bot but yat patho jong ki kena gajing long tips ni gajing ko sneng ko jong ki gajing ikai pa gajing bot din jong kilo ikai kikli kipa ngai trei lang kum go ka team pada bang ya trei lang kum go ka team ni ngai scam bang yo ru ya ta so babang batian ya sa shisin nga gajing ko play ka bakat pag ya kna ke da wara ka nam ko rom yo play ya kikli kipa ki bahi ngasam ta kam ta me ka school jini ai ka play ya ka managing committee jong ka school ka managing body dari ba ka managing committee ka ba laju baik laju penyat adong shedong kajing ndak biang hal lo ke development jong but I kajing ki infrastructure ki biang bit nak benta ki kena but kila pendon kampha ya kini ki bro but haba yu i ba ki pendon kampha kan no kajing snowman nak benta ni ki nok penyat haba yu i ba ki kena kila lepha but sakway ru kajing kuble ke pange kadi kaya syaki evening student ki kena ki bawan na ka long ying long sam ki baduk ki bawan na ki nong kendong ki batreish ha ki pon step bala ki pon janmit ki bi opor kwan school na do ars jang hadu ri beji but kila le bha magiru la yo percentage ka babyang bha but ka commerce stream le ngam chim la prakhat ba kin pass ba ba phomot kia ka first batch to ki appear baro ke pass but armor apdang to ki your first division where your likely distinction the jing ko play ka tawu le ki lo hikai ki bai kai ki evening section lamar evening section ki dei ki khna ki ba yo ki low percentage ni shim la do ki ba live 100% ki ba yo live nyo ba has percentage today ba yo sa 100% ki evening section le wat ka taru ki le pass bha but ha ko stream le ki la pass ba ka ba ki ba ka di first batch but la ora yo ata result bha ka scrutiny ni ai ki le baro school le father vice principal ki be trailer angkat ba father principal dan hakijia corporate commitment dedication jo ki kai la yo yo ni so bo ra ini sya commitment ba poi sya thong ban ni ai kit bok kit yang khna ba ni ge jing stang dan kong na ni skmat nang ya tor shu da kata ka jing trade storm ka jing minot ka jing sya ka jing wai ka jing holiday ki senang job shu ha ki benta prepare ka ba ki sai ko.
My name is Somit Arjuna and I'm from the science stream. I secured the 5th rank. If the odds favor, then I'll try to pursue a career in software engineering, but if I don't get the chance to do that, then I'll keep the options open. One piece of advice I'd like to give would be not to overstress yourself with the burden of securing good marks, because if you try to study as much as you can and try to understand as much as you can, marks come along with it. I'd like to thank everyone who has been by my side since day one. My teachers, my parents, everybody, my tutors, everyone who has helped me till now. And I would like to credit them with my success that I have achieved today.
I'm also really very grateful to our teachers who keep us motivating, who always help us, never denied to help us. Whenever I used to text them, they never refused to help. So, and also I would like to thank my parents for bringing me here. And I'm also very grateful to my tuition teacher. He also helped me a lot. Feeling is inexplicable. I'm feeling very happy right now. I was not expecting this much. I was expecting good results, but not the second grade. I didn't study every day, to be honest, but I study 1 month before exam, daily, 2 hours daily. I am planning to become a CA. I will study in some Delhi University. Today I would like to congratulate all students who have got their results. I would like to say them all the best for their future endeavors. I would like to thank the school also for giving us such a pleasant studying environment. I would also like to thank our father principal for giving us the facilities to study and for the support that he gave us. And I am very grateful to our teachers. Because of them only I achieved this success today.
The 9th place in commerce was secured by Eliezer. Both these students have been outstanding in their own ways. Students who worked hard both in class 11 and class 12. So we are happy that their dream has been fulfilled. These are students who have made us proud today. We hope and pray that they will continue to work hard in their future studies and bring laurels to their institution. It is also a proud moment for us teachers who work hard in class 11 and class 12 in grooming these students, in preparing these students for the board exam. There's a lot of hard work that goes in bringing students to a certain standard, to a certain level. So I would like to thank and congratulate all our teachers who have taught these students, teachers who have given that extra bit to them to help them. I also like to congratulate all our other students who have passed this exam. Many have got first class, second class, and many have just passed. We are happy that all these students have done well. I also take this opportunity to wish these students, as they move on in their career of higher education, that they may continue to do well wherever they may be studying. 2023 has been a good year for us. We've secured the best results. Last year we did pretty well. We're also keeping in mind that a good number of these students went through schooling during the COVID time, and many of them would have missed out on classroom experience. But I would say that a lot of these students who came here for class 11 and 12 were able to rise to the occasion. They were able to work hard, including our teachers who worked hard with them and brought these students to a certain level, to a certain standard, and prepared them well for the board exam. Today, if we see good results, it's because of the hard work of all these students who kind of put aside their COVID experience, their experience in school, which was not very, which was not very positive because of COVID, but they have worked hard in 11 and 12, and today we feel proud of them. Yeah, in science we had 207 students appearing, and in commerce we had 81 students appearing. Today we were just doing some calculations. We've had 96% pass results.
Nisa, what is it? Yo akan rank bakat lu. Yo akan rank kebaan, akan science. Nah, so kemen sisa nomor dia lah jawab saya kerja dua je lah. But besides that, may iba ka taka hard work jangan kalau bay off. Hagi sisa ni nak saya untuk day yo shuti, day flash ko kanta. Dalam yo shuti te tangan to art kanta nomor 68 ngadi beri bam jukistam. Kemudian ngadi beri balawan tiamit. Kita tahu ke Shillong jangan. Hapa bo kipen kre. Kijing e te kendan den. Kijing te kam di mo shusuk be. Te kijing e kedan hapa bang kre hot dan ke kiba mo ite ke challenges pun so thu hamni hate tamba jadi ai beli pada la pan clarify ke kita tidak bisa be. Tuition ne tuition. Ki subject bang ayo hai dekat chemistry but physics. Kalau PO chemistry, ke chemistry mayo 99, ke physics mayo 97. Jangan ke di civil services, di minta pada plan ban graduate shot, in maths, BSc maths. Simultaneously, I'll be grooming myself for the civil service examination. Ketangan happen discuss particulars. Okay, I could yang lingkong itu lah, I could play try jusu kompon imjama namar shisha klam kajing ai kajong kajing dan kajong ngan la bandan hai bangalang banta but shisha bangayo results medasi mashlong bai buram show namar madi bru bamla remon ladi par khadi je besides that I know ki kritik pa kat kita pasha kita ka motivation jom ki yang aman ke pormo judan melaban I mesti ni aku ba ai ki pa ki dan hasna jom aman ke por ti ai bende men para ki bahin hasan bujuna ki jingduai ki parlo per george aro ba ki best sisa ti ya ke school has played a major role in this success. Brother Benjamin and all the teachers concerned. I like the primary school. Honestly, kapag mga pagkaya na ay ka 100% jangan. Ti kaim jangan kadiba nanleb ha. Ti of course kaniba niyo rhyme madani. Tamamam judan any particular rhyme hakli. Second nam judan kata. Hanga kadiba what really matters is to give my best. Ti kata ti bayo second mantas ni ro akidit hi na makakampoy fakat.
Nakerting cuma Eliza hidup ngadai na Shampung Western Hills, but na yo 9 position kena ka HSSLC exam in commerce. Kalau ngatok dekat jenis dokumen, hadian bangalatik baka ngayo ka 9 position kena exam ka kimi kipar kinang kaya ngaplan ban le sisi ya ka BBA kami Anthony nakwa panlong specialize ka marketing bangayo iba ka technology kami kala improve ka pawan digital marketing kumba teacher kila hopi yang kila kila jumelin baru kila juang ngam la pan yo position ha board kuntar nada kata kala rung bet hangan nada gas la expect kikenta tanga ngam chu calculate ngadorong ngachu kat bangas snow bang kat bangas snow kaman sakaweru nga fokus pa quality banyak ka quantity kam kanta kejing eta tangkri subject tamba aku akan ong kawe kino ke subject ru ada pi learn hi basics dan macam kalau
Max
mak rahe entrepreneurship ngayo 99 nangta hadian once account 94 business unta
tingki
amban sning ta dala dhar ma ngap madan ta na struggle inspiration ngasum ta kumba experience ana ngasu tuition ngaklam ben ngasu dan kambing mobile phone si advantage ini ke teknologi bahkan ni
nak kata kalian ke ngam ju ai la hi ing ben trekam ngajudan hi kan ka jing berkat ya ka bangala hi bale hi kadang la bangale hi kadang la i bai krek kuat mengada ai kam kamut mala tu dia ka por jui katai hadin bangla yo e ni result la kendet hi ti rei kat kum kata ka jing pet kata ka jing trish tom ju ite bang kata hi ngong ila yo ni ke e ka la trish tom
kami wi
kawai bangadon ban ong ni ki kami ki pa ka long ba kawai ni ha ban lor ni khon ke e ka ba ki kat kum ka jing la jong ki ke mo ya kata ka jing la jong ki ya kata hi ni kersham ni support kum ki kami ki pa
tang
pangon ay lấy một đồng được đặt lên mặt ní ada kepot aku juga puncaknya pengayo lepas ada exam ada kecil terang yang rumah terang kembangan terangnya dua tahun kual balan dan ila yo aku nggak ada kecil kena aku punya I know ya ang kurang mo dito siya di no hikay ta na do ba na dito no hikay ba na do ba na hikay na do ta kana do na ay kublay pangiti mo pat kung ju ita ni school ikini hikay jong ni school do na ay kublay ka pangiti pagala la pan hikay tayo ko jong na ko siya ni top
Alpha English High Secondary School, Nongpo, Ribhoi District, one of the prestigious schools from Ribhoi region, produced a gem of a student. Rakhi Kumari Rai, daughter of Raju Rai, residents of Maukro, claimed the 9th position in commerce results announced on the 9th of May. Wandahun Bla, principal of the school, expressed her immense joy and pride to have produced a student who is sharp and exceptionally bright. She is hopeful that the school will produce more able and capable students in the SSLC examinations in the coming week.
Kata kalian, bayi kena mengi minta iyo kemungin tu kami yo nak kalian commerce kamta iyo mani don nak 9th position juga top 10 list juga embos minta kesnem ke commerce stream. Te ni sno ni aingo yo blay, ni aingo ekini ni aku blay kini hikai kila kerjaan borba kini trace tom jumki. Baik result dalam commerce kabah minta senam kena ki abun be pas ba ki mak su ki skor ki pas ki biang ba te kam tam ya ini Raki Kumari Rai ni snow the natural me I could lay da jong i ki trash tom jong i bi la ban boy kan ni position but kum jo iki kmi pa ki ba kersian i am ta im la ban don hong ni school mai dang don se Shillong te ban abi i ko long wisdom ndai ni I could lay ya kinohikai ki ba trash tom but ngasiam hi ba kapor kan poi hi ba ni nang ni sakmat ni nang kam kiu ni nang kam don shu ki kena ki ban don ki top list nomor ba ki kena ki dei ban nang kam su tu ba kin kam su tu ki jin don kam ki jin trashi tom ki jin puli ki jin yakop haki field of studies ba ki babun nomor ba nomor hakni ki pre yakop ini ni nomla ban shu ken jam ki jin puli ni I could play ya i Raki Kumari Rai ya ke jin trashi tom juni kum jo ru ya kinohikai se simpan kikme kikpa jong i nak bat ni ya kirmen makani ka jing poi jong i Raki Rai kan ni ka top 9th position kan I'm sim ya kini kiwai pat kina ki pule mentah ki bilang pule kan I'm sim ki kinohikai bakin nom dok jingkmen bat bakin yo men sim kanang ba kinang pen slu shu manang bun ki kina ki ba la ban tristom bat ki bala ban poi sakmat
te kumbang yo sngo mem ba haka commerce stream bidang bakadang datang first time mentah hadu kat no mem kadai ke jing sha halo
hot na kalian ke school minang yo top hari boy kani ring first time ni yo in the top 10 not top 9 position ndai ko mga ong kani kadai gentleman ba jing insulor nakiwe gi kena nang yo ban police competition top shu bah kalau we kinang yo shu bandan ki position ba kam jong ban wan ra ikan nam ke kerteng jongki bat jong ke school bat jong kadong riwai
baka 1 class 11 hang ni hing lai thu ba di ka khana ka star ha ndai tanga khana ka star ka di ka khana ka minat ha ka minat ba ki jing puli ki jong ka kan bat ka di ka khana ro ka badan akor dan buram ta ka
ha school tharai kum noi long ha class A
ha class kita kan ka ladangi ai ki kumwa ki class work no ka bala ban pendem buat ka basutho ka basyong ka ba ladangi batai rum sutho baka khana dari ka basngap ha bat ka longkala ban sutho ke ka bangi hikai kan tela ka don problem ru kawan me shakmat ladangi ai ki kumwa ki class work ka bala deploy that.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.